Hey there! Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of flirting and uncovering the secrets of powerful eye contact. Did you know that a simple glance can create an emotional connection that can last a lifetime? Stick around, and you'll learn how to flirt with your eyes and create irresistible connections. Eye contact is a crucial element of human communication, and it plays a massive role in how we connect with others. When it comes to flirting, eye contact can send a signal of interest, create attraction, and build a connection. So, let's discover the science behind eye contact and how to use it to your advantage. 1. The science of eye contact. Eye contact is powerful because it activates several areas in the brain responsible for social cognition, emotion, and reward. When we lock eyes with someone, our brain releases oxytocin, a hormone that plays a role in social bonding and trust. This creates a feeling of connection and can even cause our heart rate to synchronize with the person we're looking at. Research has shown that prolonged eye contact increases feelings of attraction and intimacy. In one study, participants who held eye contact for extended periods reported higher levels of attraction and interest than those who didn't. So, it's clear that eye contact plays a significant role in creating connections and sparking romantic interest. But it's not just about the duration of eye contact, it's also about the quality. Genuine, warm, and engaging eye contact is more likely to create a positive response than an intense or creepy stare. So, let's explore the different types of eye contact and how to use them when flirting. 2. Types of eye contact. There are several types of eye contact, each with its own unique message and impact on flirting. Here are 3 common types. Fleeting glance. This is a quick, almost accidental glance that lasts for a second or less. It can signal curiosity or interest without being too aggressive or forward. Prolonged gaze. This type of eye contact lasts for several seconds and can be more intense. It shows that you're genuinely interested and engaged in the interaction, which can create a stronger connection. The triangle. This involves looking at one eye, then the other, and then briefly down to the person's mouth. It's a subtle way to create intimacy and suggests that you're thinking about kissing them. 3. How to use eye contact in flirting. To use eye contact effectively in flirting, start with a fleeting glance to signal your interest. Follow up with a prolonged gaze to create a deeper connection and show that you're engaged. Finally, use the triangle technique to create intimacy and suggest romantic intentions. It's essential to practice your eye contact skills to get comfortable with them. Spend some time in front of a mirror, or practice with friends, to develop your eye contact techniques and become more confident in using them when flirting. Remember to pay attention to the other person's reactions and adjust your eye contact accordingly. If they seem uncomfortable or look away frequently, it may be time to dial it back a bit. On the other hand, if they're reciprocating and maintaining eye contact, it's a sign that they're interested and engaged. 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these common eye contact mistakes when flirting. Staring. Intense or prolonged staring can come across as creepy or aggressive. Make sure to break eye contact occasionally and use a relaxed, friendly gaze. Not looking away. Failing to look away at all can be just as off-putting as not making eye contact. Give the other person some breathing room by occasionally breaking eye contact. Looking down. Constantly looking down can signal a lack of confidence or disinterest. Try to maintain a balance between looking at the other person's eyes and looking away naturally. 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering the art of eye contact is a powerful tool for flirting and creating irresistible connections. By understanding the science behind eye contact, practicing different types of eye contact, and avoiding common mistakes, you can become a flirting expert and create sizzling romantic connections. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for creating unforgettable connections. Until next time, this is Veco Vibe, helping you vibe with confidence.